Hay nako, ang dami na namang nagkalat na mangga. Masusolusyonan kaya yan ni PRACTI-MOM? Let's find out!
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel called PRACTI-MOM.
Of course, si PRACTI-MOM may solusyon. Kasama ang aking sidekick, namulot kami ng mga mangga.
So in this video, gagawa tayo ng mango graham float. So these are the necessary ingredients that we need.
First, let's blend or mash the mango slices. Whip the Kremdensada for 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. To enhance the flavor, mix the blended mango and the Kremdensada. Soak the graham cracker in the evaporated milk before layering. Arrange the first layer of graham crackers. When the first layer is completed, add cream on top. Repeat the steps until the desired number of layers is achieved. Place the sliced mangoes on top. Dito, na-integrate ko ang skill ng aking anak sa counting. We can also add crushed graham crackers on top for garnishing. After overnight of chilling, ready na ang ating mango graham float. If we just notice all the things around us, and try to find a value in each, and start thinking something beautiful to create out of it. That's how you become a practical mom. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye!